Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you're considering quitting Facebook, it's important to decide if you want to temporarily pause or permanently erase your account. If you just want to take a break, try temporarily deactivating your account. You'll basically be hiding your profile without erasing any of your old posts. If you want to quit Facebook for good, you'll need to delete your account. If you deactivate your account, you can reactivate anytime and access all of your photos and videos and your friends. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now tap on account center. You can tap on your information and permissions here. I'm sorry. You can tap on your personal details, Tap on personal details. There is an option, account ownership and control. You can tap on that. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. You can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Tap on that. Choose your account that you want to deactivate. I will choose my Facebook account. Now you can choose if you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this Facebook account. But if you want to permanently delete your account, you can choose delete account. But if you just want to temporarily break from your Facebook, you can choose deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporarily. If your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, you'll be able to continue using Messenger. Now tap on continue. Deactivating your account will also deactivate your other additional Facebook profile as well as page where you are the only admin or person with full control. To keep your page active, assign another admin or give someone else full control your page setting. So if you have page on your Facebook will be, your page will be also deactivate. Now you can tap on continue. Enter your password. Tap on continue. You can choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account. As example, I will choose this. I have a privacy concern. Now you can tap on continue again. You can always control the information that you share and who can see it. Now, tap on continue. Confirm temporary account activation. Here's your group. You can just deactivate my account. Tap on that. Now your Facebook account has been deactivated. You can reactivate anytime your Facebook account and access all of your photos, videos, and friends. People can see your timeline or search for you on your Facebook. And some information you've sent to other users like message will still be viewable by those users. And if you use your Facebook account to log in to third-party apps, you will not be able to access any information or purchases while your account is deactivated. So that is how to deactivate your Facebook account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.